All right, everybody, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. So there's only a few days left of 2023, so I wanted to make a quick video for you guys because there's not many days, like I said, left to make a video. So there will be some more videos coming, Lord willing, but I want to give you guys a quick update on the December tool belt. So here we go. Let's just jump in. So some of the things have changed. I've added a few tools. I might have taken a few tools out. But let's just jump in real quick. So as always, we got the skinny flat blade right here. I think that's the 1/4 inch tip, the 6016 insulated multi screwdriver, always good to have. Got the red, white, and blue Klein strippers, the Fujiya high leverage 8 or 9 inch diagonal cutters. I'll probably make a video on these sometime eventually. I've been using these for the last year. I've really just been beating on them and they've just been amazing, so I'll tell you more about that later. Then I got the 2-pair water pump pliers, Knipex 10-inch Cobra Comfort Grip. Got the Irwin sheetrock saw. And like I've said before, I mostly just take the company tools and leave my client tools at home, so that's why I have like a bunch of different stuff, different brands, but for the most part I try to use the best tools as possible. I got the Milwaukee 25-foot Milwaukee tape measure. I think I switched this location, maybe not, but I got the pipe reamer. It's either been here or over here next to the jab saw, but I moved that. Got CP3s, tin snips, and then I got the multi-stubby down here. Might want to try the ratcheting one soon. I have one of those laying around that I need to try out. Then I got the, I don't know the specific name of these, I always forget. The wrench pliers, I think. The 7 1/4 wrench pliers. And then I got the insulated, which is very destroyed or magnetized right now, but I got the insulated precision screwdriver along with pencil, a Sharpie, and a couple highlighters down here. You probably can't see that. And then I got the glow-in-the-dark needle nose. Man, my brain is fried. Got the hot pen right here, the Fluke electrical tester. Got the Greenlee torpedo level safety knife. I got the flush cutters, which I always forget that I have. The Klein flush cutters. And that is everything on this side. And then jumping over to the other side, the first new tool that I've added, which is the triangle, a little big. This is like a triangle pocket, but it's a little bit big. Normally you'd have a smaller triangle. This one's a little bit big, but I got this triangle from work and haven't used it yet, but when I need it, it's gonna come in handy. Got my electrical tester, even though I probably don't need that either, because right now we're just running pipe. So there's a few tools that I could take out, but you never know when you're gonna need them, so it's always just better to have it. And then over here I got the drill extension with my magnetic bit on the end, so I like to keep that. And then I got my beater screwdriver right here, the demolition driver. Got the old trusty Klein hammer, which has all of the paint removed, and I've had this from about 2016, the same time that I got the tool belt. So these are at least 7 years old, the tool belt and the hammer. And I reached out to CLC, and I'm going to see if they'll send me a free one if they ever read their Instagram messages, and I'm also going to see if they can do a giveaway for you guys, because that would be freaking amazing. Because who doesn't love free stuff and tool belts? So moving on from there, I got the 7-in-1 impact flip socket. Looking for the 9-in-1. I think I just have to go to Lowe's.com or something like that. So looking for the 9-in-1 eventually, but right now 7-in-1 impact flip socket. Got the 11-in-1 with the hex bits in there. I added those, 11-in-1. And then just a normal old school Phillips Klein Tools Inc. Old school Klein Tools Inc. Phillips number 2 Phillips. So in case I ever have to beat a hole in the wall, it's the perfect size. to drop in the sheetrock anchors. If you've ever seen that video from my past, then you know. And then a few, four more things. Got the hex set, which I never use, but it's just on the tool list, and when you need it, you need it. Got the headlamp, which I probably could have been using the last couple days because the job site lighting is trash, but it's a little bit heavy, but not too bad. Not as bad as like the Milwaukee ones, but this is nice when you need it, so I keep that on me, but I always forget. I've been using like the flashlights, the portable flashlights with the batteries. And then we got the pencil reamer for your bigger conduit, anything bigger basically than 1 inch. And then lastly, I have the, it's hard to get out. I got the Milwaukee pipe cutter, just always clutch to have when you need it, up to 1 inch. Yeah, so that pretty much wraps up the tool belt for 2023, and we'll see what changes come to 2024. Oh, and then I also have this clip right here, so you can hang it on the side of your MEWP, whatever you call that, your motorized electrical work platform. So you can do that, hook that to anything, bed of a truck, whatever you want, tailgate, stud, screw, anything you want. So anyways, that's what I like to do. Nice carrying handle, and then also hook it to something so you can hang your tools and you don't have to wear it around your waist. So anyways, that's what's in the tool belt right now, and if I get a second tool belt, I'm going to make a second tool belt for my house so I can carry it around or whatever, and I'm probably just gonna fill that all with like glow tools and stuff like that, my glow-in-the-dark Phillips and flat blade. I'll probably take these out and then replace these ones with my yellow ones, and then just put all my cool tools that no one will be stealing in my new tool belt, which will be awesome. And so yeah, and this is the CLC tool belt. I think it's a 13 or 31 pocket, 3-piece electrical tool belt, combo tool belt. I think I just checked the price on these today. I think they're $139 for the CLC tool belt, which like I said, I've had for 7 years. I mean, I don't know if these have, if they had spots on the bottom originally, but they might have gotten blown out, or they just never had them, but I think they never had them. But anyways, amazing tool belt. It's getting a little worn. It's been 7 years, but yeah, I'll probably pick up another one if I don't get one sponsored. Then I'll make another tool belt, and then I can show you guys that one when it's done. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. A couple more videos coming. I got some installs coming in the next few days, maybe before the end of the year. I'll make some videos out in the garage installing some receptacles, which will be cool, and then also a sponsored video. So that'll be coming. See you guys soon. Thanks for watching. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Love you guys. Hope you enjoyed. Peace.